humbled leather. Yo, what's good? It's General 315. I'm back again, another sneaker review for y'all. This is unorthodox for me. I'm actually in the shed right now. This is my sanctuary. I come in the shed a lot, but today I wanted to definitely bring a review to you guys real quick. Right here, these right here, I've been wearing these all day. These are the Jordan 1 OG High Suede Royals, I believe. I think they're the Suede Royals. These are alright. These are pretty good. Like, not bad. I know this isn't the orthodox video. I know that, but I'm gonna be quick. I'm gonna get back to doing things. Stuff will be a little bit different moving forward. But you know, definitely had to get back. But anyway, yeah, these are the Suede Royals. These joints are pretty nice. They pretty cool. A lot of blue on here, blue check right here, or swoosh, whatever y'all want to call it. You know, you got your embroidery right here. Not bad. I think maybe we can see if we can get in on that right there for y'all. I had to adjust the camera. Different lens. Y'all had to bear with me. I got a different lens right here. So let me just adjust it. Bam. There you go. Y'all can see right there. We got some nice embroidery right there. Very, very dope. This is a really nice shoe. Let me get y'all in with these materials real quick. This isn't a very, very good lens, but it's an okay lens. But here we go. Y'all can see right here, and I got some on-foot shots right here. You can see the swoosh. You can see the suede material. This suede is kind of like a nubuck, honestly. Like, this is like nubuck. It's not really transitional per se, but it's okay. It's cool. You know what I'm saying? It gets the job done. I would definitely recommend you guys putting some suede cleaner on here or protectant, because it's going to get tore up if you get water all over it. It's not really going to look right. I'm trying to give y'all the most clear shots as I can with the manual focus, but y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, we got a little hairy material right here. It doesn't feel like the typical, let me just make sure this camera's looking right. Okay, I think I'm clear for the most part. I'm sorry, y'all. I think the shoe is definitely a good shoe. It's definitely dope. Not bad. Good shape to it. Got these from our friends over the way. They definitely sent these over for the review, and I appreciate that. They're gonna see this video. Yo, send me something else. I know I took a little bit of time with getting this video out, but trust and believe, it's dope. It's a nice shoe. Suede 2023 Royals are nice. I think it's a little gimmicky though. It's a little gimmicky for me. This more so looks like it could be a mid-quality shoe, like a Jordan 1 mid or a Jordan 1 low. We know that some of their shoes have good materials on it, like decent, you know what I'm saying? But this is more of a, like, just like a mid-tier material type of shoe. It's not the crazy suede that we've seen or the crazy materials that we've seen in the past. It's definitely just pretty basic, kind of like downgraded suede and nubuck. But I mean, aesthetically though, the shoe looks great. My opinion, the 2017 Royals look way better, the leather. But I'm a leather person, and I just like the way leather feels on my foot when I walk in the shoe, how it surrounds my foot and all of that. I love suede, and it does have its purposes, but for a shoe like this, I'm not really too fond of. It did come with an extra set of laces though. It came with the Royal laces. You know, to each his own. Some people are going to put white, royal, yellow, whatever y'all want to do it up. But this is a decent shoe. At a scale of 1 to 10, I mean, I think Jordan Brand is reaching with these now. Like, I would have just took the 2017 Royals. But if I had to really, like, pick out a number for these, I'd probably give it like a 7, maybe a 6.5. Just because the Royal is really, really royal. and it's black, and I love the contrast, but it's the materials. The materials are just not. This was, you know how they say people do movies for the check? This is for the check right here. This is clearly for the check. This was for the check. So that's all I got for this one. Y'all know it wasn't the typical review that I normally do, but that was the review that I had right now in such short notice. I have been wearing them all day. They fit true to size and all of that. So if y'all got any questions, just hit me up on Instagram. Make sure you follow the channel and all of that stuff. I appreciate all of that when y'all do that. And then make sure you guys follow in the Discord. There's tons of people in the Discord that can tell you exactly where to get these for a really, really good price if you don't want to go through GOAT or StockX and all of that stuff. Everybody knows somebody, right? So that's all I got for this one, y'all. Y'all stay home, y'all stay blessed, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.